Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download PyCharm in your computer in a very simple way. How you going to do it? First, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then come over into this search option and going to search for PyCharm. Download, click on that, and then we'll get this JetBeans or JetBrains website over here. So if you click on the download PyCharm, and then here you will going to accept all the cookie setting or you can close it. Here you can see there is two options. One is PyCharm Professional, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find PyCharm Community Edition. PyCharm Community Edition is completely free to install. So if you click on the download over here, it will be rightly installed or download for the Windows. But if you click on the Windows, there is two options for Windows ARM 6.4. So select it .exe if you don't have the ARM 6.4 version. Click on the download option over here, and as you can see, the download is rightly started. It is about 571 MB. It will take 3 minutes to download. For that, keep patience. So as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, and now if you just click on this PyCharm, click on it 2 times. And now if you minimize all of your background apps, and then here you just need to click on next to install, click next another time, check all the items over here. As you can see, there is a catch: update path variables restart needed. So if you add this option over here, if you check this option over here, after completing the installation, you just need to restart your PC for set the path variables into the Windows. So for that, be sure with it, click on next, click on install. As you can see, the rightly installation is beginning. It will take some minutes to complete. For that, keep patience. And as you can see, the download has been completed. So there is two options: reboot now. I want to manually reboot later. So I'm going to click on it this time and then click finish. And now if you just want to make it add to the variable path, you can simply restart now. For just showing you that the PyCharm is rightly installed in our computer, you can see if here is the desktop icon over here, and as you can see, the PyCharm is rightly opened in our computer. So this is how you can simply install PyCharm in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.